Hi everybody, welcome to Simple Idea Results. And today what I'd like to show you is how to repurpose some of the accessories that you have. And we'll just do a really quick rearranging. So I found this tray around my house, so you can find, any tray. You can also use a plate. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little arrangement, and I have a placemat, so if you can find something to put underneath your tray, go ahead. And I think a lot of people have any kind of greenery like this from a swag. You can also get these from the dollar store or things that you already have, and just kind of arrange it around. And I also this year bought a deer at Hobby Lobby, and I just couldn't help not to buy it because it is just a beautiful deer and he is very handsome. So this is gonna be in the center of my tray. And I also went to the dollar store and got all these little poinsettias for $1, and they're so pretty. They have a little bit of gold and they are fuzzy. And so you can either buy a few of those prigs and pound. And what I did is I bought 2 of these because I just love the size of the magnolia leaves and the berries. And so I went ahead and put 1 on each side, just like this. And also, most of you have ornaments from your Christmas tree, so just grab a few from there and just put them around however you want to arrange. I had extra little cones here as well. Okay. And the neat thing that I found today is these little mini Christmas lights, and they're at home Hobby Lobby for $4.99 regular, $2.50, no, 25% off. So it's a lot less than $4. And I'm also going to, I had some candle holders that I can use to refill the empty spots, and I will put the light around, excuse me. Okay, these little mini lights, they also have them at the dollar store, and they're in shape of stars, and I thought that was really cute. So just kind of arrange them around. And some more leaves right there. It's a really nice soft glow on these lights. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but I will go ahead and place my poinsettias. I just pull them out, and I'm doing this really quick just for you to get the idea, but you can take your time and just make it just right. And there is one. They also have different kinds of deers. It doesn't have to be a big one like this, although Hobby Lobby has 50% off all Christmas, so anything Christmas you'll get it 50%. So they have other more simple little deers, standing and sitting down. So anyways, this is one, and I'll go ahead and another thing that I am going to show you really quick is my pitcher. This beautiful pitcher, I used it for Thanksgiving. So all I'm gonna do is take my Thanksgiving arrangements and use what I had bought for just to place it in the pitcher like that. And I also had one of these candle holders. You can find this anywhere really, and I used it on the bottom just like that so that it'll fill up and it looks like it's full. And let's see. So I got my bow from Walmart, and I will go ahead and tie a bow around my picture. Okay, go ahead and sit down here and go ahead and cut it. And now it's time to tie your bow. Okay, just like you do a shoestring. Okay, you grab some ends and you go around it. Turn it around because it just makes it easier to. And this nice ribbon has wires, so that's the nice thing, that you can rearrange it and twist it however you want. And so these little twigs or vines, you can always find them anywhere. Like here's another one that I had found at Hobby Lobby. So $4.99, $2.50 on sale. And this beautiful flower with those beautiful green leaves. You can also do this one instead, and I think it will look really, really pretty. So that's another one you can do. Now I'm going to show you now how you can dress up your lantern. See, here you can see my fall colors or Thanksgiving colors, and we just take off the ribbon and the vine here. And last year I actually did my bow already, so all I need to do is place it back on. And also, if you want to put more greenery down here, I did have some, but anyway, so you just tie it and you're all dressed for Christmas. Okay, so thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time. If you loved and enjoyed this show, please give me a big thumbs up and register for my channel. Merry Christmas.